Good afternoon, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Adimas Surya Perdana Putra, final year student of Information System for Business. Today, I will present my final project. The topic is Design and Development of Daily Expense Register, application equipped with speech recognition. Technology increasing very significant. Most sectors currently use technology in their implementation. For example, financial sector. Everyone has their own problem with money management, such as too busy to record finance, so they forget and don't have time to record their expenses, and most people are lazy to use complicated expenses recording application, and also they don't set their daily expenses target. This is of course cause an imbalance between income and expenses because these expenses are not controlled so that they can run out of money before the time. According to verified article from IDN Times, 57.5% students run out of monthly pocket money. Meanwhile, only 33.5% student surplus of monthly pocket money, and 9% of other respondents feels not enough of deficit for their monthly pocket money. The point is, people need a simple, fast, and efficient way to record their personal expenses. So hopefully user can feel comfortable to record their personal expenses. To answer that problem, therefore, the developer design and build an application to make it easier for users to record and store data on their daily expenses using speech recognition technology. So hopefully user can record their expense wherever and whenever in all their activities, and also user can store data on their expenses every day and limit their daily expenses. In this study, the author used 3 study journal references. The author used references to 2 national study journals and 1 international study journals. In the first journal entitled Aplikasi Pemutar Musik Menggunakan Speech Recognition, and this journal discussed the design and build of an application, Android-based music player, using speech recognition technology. The purpose of designing and building this application is to make it easier for user to search for song without having to type in the text file. The second is a journal entitled Pembuatan Aplikasi Manajemen Keuangan Pribadi Berbasis Android. This is journal discuss the design and build of an Android-based personal financial management application. And the purpose of this application is to make it easier for user to manage finance for user of Android-based mobile device. And the last journal entitled User Experience, Comparison of Intelligent Personal Assistant, Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri, and Cortana. The purpose of this study is compare user experience when using various type of smart personal assistants such as Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri, and Cortana using the natural user interface method. Here is a view of the application. First, on the homepage, there are 3 features, namely accumulated total expense, and then there is a set the limit, and lastly recap, daily expense recap. This and next, on the input expense page, there are 3 features, namely a list of expenses today. Here it is. Then there is a total accumulation of the list, and the last input expense. This. So we will go to app demo. Now we are in app demo. Here is a view of application. The first page is homepage. On homepage, there are three features, namely accumulation, total expense were taken from recap. Then there is a set spending limit, input limit or output limit, and there is a daily expense recap. Okay, if we press set limit button, a model sheet will appear like this. We can input for the example. Now, and we can update like this. And then there is a daily expenses recap. In this section, it will display a recap of expenses based on date, nominal expense on that day, and also the status of expense like this. Date, status, and nominal. If we click on expense recap, the details of expenses on the date will appear like this. Okay. And the second page is input expense page in there. On the input expense page, there are three features, namely list of expenses today. This is empty. I will fill it. There is a total calculation of daily expense, today expense today in there, and we got input expense today. When pressing the add expense button like this, a model sheet will be appear to input the expense name and nominal using speech recognition. Now, before inputting by voice, the user will be press button to activate the speech recognition like this. And users can talk to give information about expense name here. For the example, coklat, and if we press it again, you will appear the name expense names. And likewise, inputting nominal is the same process like this. 20.000. Nah, input expense will appear in the list after we click selesai like this. If we press button add to recap, okay, it will store in daily recap like this. Okay, maybe it's a demo. Thank you. So next, at this stage, the developer conducts user research by asking for help from three respondent who are students to try this application. The developer will use single is question method, which is to assess how comfortable and how easy it to use this application. 9 tasks will be given to users related to the operation in this application, and user will provide feedback and give score of 1 to 7 to assess the comfort and convenience of user when using this application. And that's it. The student named Aguilar Gumilar gives score 6. Daral Darullah give score 7, and Novica Mayangsyah give 5.5 to this score of SAQ. And the average value of the overall score is 6.167. Conclusion, comfort, the level of this application is good according to the average SAQ score, which is 6.167. This score is good because it has a value above 5.5, which is the lowest value of the good predicate according to the SAQ. And this application useful for users, developer, and future research. And last one, suggestion from the users in the input expense model sheet, adding text field for input expense, and improve the display design so that it's more acceptable to young people. Okay, overall that's my present. Thank you and good afternoon.